everybody, SmellC back again, and I'm back with some baseball. I got two blasters here at 2021 Stadium Club. Always a lot of fun to open Stadium Club, and it's really fun to open them below cost. I think I got these for like 16 bucks each. So nice little discount, but it includes one exclusive Master Photo base variation card, and it says look for Chrome parallel cards, which would be pretty nice. So you got 8 packs of 5 cards each. So this one, I don't know what kind of sticker that one had on it, but complaining for the price I paid. 41 cards. Stadium Club is just so much fun to open. I usually open up a few blasters, maybe one hobby every year. And let's just got this card. Oh, I got Tatis. Not sure what you do with these because they won't fit in your regular boxes. I don't know. It's not my favorite. Of course, they had the widescreen ones. Didn't have the other years, so the oddballs. Never know what to do with them. All right, so let's go through them. John Means. Looks like a regular. So we got a Crawford red. And Sanchez rookie. Move stuff over here. So got a little red pile. Yeah, the color parallels don't really stick out this year as much. Maybe some of the other years because the writing's so small. Jazz rookie, nice. Raven Yount. Freddie Freeman. VR. JD Martinez, awesome looking shots. Max Olson, Nate Pearson. We got Alex Bergman Bean Team. Donaldson. Let's get a Chrome. Bo Bichette, Brandon Lowe, Frank Thomas. And that, I believe, is a Chromie. Yes, that is awesome Chrome. Pulled Frank Thomas yesterday, just a base card, but this pretty nice looking Frankie. Frank Thomas. And then we got Sepia, Ryan Jeffries, a rookie, and Ian Happ. Pretty good pack. Trevor Bauer, yay. Strasburg, Greg Maddux, red, and Nemo. I'm hot on Frank Thomas. Clemens, Trent Grissom, Casey Mize, rookie. I got the old school throwback Greg Maddux. There you go, rookie. Hoskins, Mays, Ortiz Sequindo. I got a little Mike Trout die cut, eh? Nice. Tears, that's a cool looking insert. Alright, last pack flash one. You always get some good stuff. Stadium Club, I don't know why it goes cheaper than other products. A lot of times. There's Greg Maddux regular. Rodriguez. Montez. Black. I think that's the first black, unless I missed one. Alright, so Sepia black, 2 reds. Frank Thomas Chrome, Trout insert, Greg Maddux. Oh, a lot in that one, so let's check out Blaster 2. So we got Tatis in the first one, we get in this one. Acuna. Pretty nice duel there. Alright, pack 1. We got them reversed both directions here. What's going on here? I can mess this all up. Joey Gallo, Winfield, Steel's rookie, and a Bryce Harper VR. These are different than the last. They're always flipped around on Stadium Club. Ken Griffey, nice. Jones, rookie. Bellinger, red. And Howard, rookie. Looks like we got our chrome. Molina, Nolan Ryan, and Anthony Rizzo. Chrome, it's base chrome. Bergman, and a sepia, Santana. I think that was the same as last time. Chrome, you get the sepia. So probably no chance at a chrome refractor. Tatis, Kluber, Floria, we got Jansen red, Perez. Don't know why these have to be every which direction. Oops. Cal Ripken, Stadium Club. Hosmer, Wainwright, and Castro. We got McNeil. We got another die cut here. Francisco Lindor. Patino, rookie, Bromlin. All right, 2 more packs. Let's get one big card here. Ooh, I like the Tyler Stevenson, rookie. We got Beaver. Another Jazz. Got 2 of those. No parallel though. We got a black. Second black. And check that out. Alright, last pack. So, if I'm going by the first box, we're going to get a beam team in this box. Let's see if it holds straight. Beam team. Ichiro. Hank Aaron. Max Scherzer. Garcia. Red rookie. And David Wright. Alright, not exactly the same. Let's go over the bonus pack. We're just going to do this Allen Ginter pack. McGuire. Gwynn. Mini of Brian Anderson. Kershaw. Galados. Not much of there. So we did get 2 chromes. 2 of the old Stadium Clubs. Frank Thomas chromes. A couple good rookies, so I'm happy with that. Pretty good box toppers. 3 reds, 2 sepias, Trout, pretty nice, die cut. Nothing huge, but you know, $16 worth a shot. Get a nice on-card auto, something like that. So, or a nice chrome parallel. That is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the Stadium Club, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.